So our next second round of online admission for all the colleges which are under the Directorate of Higher Education is starting from tomorrow, that is on 25th of August. It will be open till 2nd of September. So all the students who did not got a chance to apply in the first round of admission can apply from the DHE portal, the link which is available on the DHE portal from tomorrow onwards. Some of the students who had already applied in the first round of admission but they still didn't got admission in any of the colleges can edit the form which they had applied in the first round itself. They need not have to reapply the new applications. They can edit the preferences of the colleges based on the colleges which are available. We have already put up on the admission portal itself the colleges which are available or participating in the second round of admission, along with the seats which are vacant in the different programs or the different courses in those respective colleges.
Okay, how many students got the admissions?
So in the first round of admission, as of now, we have already admitted 7,500 students in the various colleges in the various programs. And from this year onwards, we are also starting with a second year, third year, fourth and fifth year as well, the students in the online admission process itself. And we have already received 15,000 of application students have registered on the portal. So this time actually those students who want to prefer or opt for a different honors program in different colleges, they can apply in the different colleges for the third year programs. So now they have a facility to apply for the different colleges for the different honors programs of their choice through their online portal.